Hello people, this video is showing you how to add fractions at the basic level. This is for people that have got no idea what a fraction is and how to handle it. And they've all got the same denominator. A denominator, you ask? Well, I'm going to show you. This is a fraction. A fraction is a divide sum. The numerator is the top part of the fraction and the denominator is the bottom of a fraction. So numerator top, denominator bottom. So this is all with the same denominator. They're all going to have this bottom number is the same. Starting this out really simple. So to work out the denominator, let's just put our line there because we know we're asking for a fraction. So count how many squares there are. 2, 4, 6. There's 8 squares there. So that's going to be our denominator. Out of. The denominator is out of what we've got. And then count how many shaded numbers there are. Well, there's 4. That's our numerator. 4 over 8. Now we can simplify that. And simplifying just means you can make it smaller. If you can make it smaller. Let's make this smaller. So start with the lowest number, which is 2. Can 2 go into 4? Yes, it can. Twice. And can 2 go into 8? Yes, it can. 4 times. So we simplified it down to 2 over 4. However, we can still keep going. 2 goes into 2 once. 2's into 4 go twice, which is a half. So that's me writing it out in simple terms. Or you could have just looked at this and gone, well, I've got 8 in total, 4 are shaded, so it's going to be a half. You could think like that, but this is for people that have no idea. So let's start with this one. Let's do our denominator. The denominator is out of 6. There's 6 squares. And we've got 2 shaded. That's going to be our numerator. Can we simplify it? Yes, we can. Because 2's going to 2 once. And 2's going to 6 3 times. So there's our answer, 1/3. Next one, bit bigger. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, there's 20. So our denominator, I keep saying that wrong. Our denominator is going to be out of 20. 1, 2, 3, 3 times 4 is 12. Can we simplify that question? Does 2 go into 12 and 20? Yes, it does. 6 times. And 2 goes into 20. 10. Can we go again? Can we simplify it again? Yes, we can. Can 2 go into 6? Yes, it can. 3 times. 2's into 10 go 5. Now, we can't simplify that even anymore because nothing goes into both of them numbers. So the answer is 3 over 5. Right, and the last one, we have 3, 6, 9, 20. There's 15 in total. So that's going to be our denominator. How many shaded have we got? 3, 6, 9, 12. So we've got 12 over 15. Now, if the question asks, once again, to simplify, I always simplify fractions, even if it doesn't tell me to, purely because you just get into a routine of doing it, getting a rhythm. So, is there any numbers that go into both of those? I know 2 doesn't go into 15. What about 3? Does 3 go into 12? Yes, it does, 4 times. And does 3 go into 15? Yes, it does, 5 times. You can't simplify that. It's an even and an odd. You can't do it. So that's your answer. So now, just a little step further, we still have our boxes, but I've written out what it looks like. So we would have 6 as our denominator, as you now know. 3 shaded, plus 6 same denominator, and 2 is shaded. So all you're going to do is this. You ready? 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 6. No, it just stays the same. You don't add it. Because they're the same, you have to get it down to your denominators have got to get to the same number to solve the question. And in this case, it's 5/6. That's it. As simple as that. You don't need to do anything with the denominator. It stays the same. Next, 5/10 plus 5/10 equals what? 5 plus 5 is 10 over 10. And to simplify that, 10 divided by 10 is what? 1. Just one whole one. Same again up here, denoted in squares. Sorry, my pen's playing up. Right, okay, so we've got 7/15 plus 4/15. Denominator stays the same because it's the same. 15. 7 plus 4, nice and easy, is 11. So the answer is 11/15, and it can't be simplified. There's no number that goes into both of those to be simplified. And then finally, numerators are both the same in this question, so just put your 20 there. 11 plus 12 is what? 23. The question doesn't ask you to simplify it because it's top heavy. That means the biggest number on the top is weighing down that 20. It shouldn't be there. It shouldn't look like that. It's top heavy. So what you would do is, and I will teach you this, you would go, how many times does 20 go into 20? Well, we know it's 1. So I'm going to put that big 1 there. Then what have we got left? We've got 3 over 20. That's it. But I will do another lesson just purely on top heavy numbers, okay? And then these are just a few for us to do without any squares for us to rely on. But because our denominators are the same, it's really easy. So we've got denominator is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. Easy. Next one. Denominators are the same. Don't need to do anything to them. So that's 13. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11/13. No simplifying, can't be done. And then the final 2 questions here are 1/8 plus 3/8. Nice and easy because the denominator is already the same. So it's going to be 8/4. Can we simplify it? Yes, we can. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2's into 8 go 4. And once again, 2's into 2 go 2. 2's into 4. Sorry, that goes once. And 2's into 4 go twice. Nice and easy. And then finally, once again, we know that that's 20 because they're the same. 7 plus 5 is 12. Can we simplify it? Yes, we can. 2's into 12 goes 6. 2's into 20 go 10. Can we go again? Yeah. 2's into 6 go 3 times divided by 5. And you can't simplify that. That's the answer. So that literally is an overview of adding fractions, using the grids to help you, and then moving on to a basic question, adding question with the same denominator. But always remember, you really need to know this, okay? What a numerator is, and that's a denominator. Thank you.